here's what I'm left with. Yeah, bag of trash. Oh. Close enough. Hey, fix this. Fix this, fix this. Someone else already been fucking around here. So, see what I can do. Think I can do it? I think I can do it. Gotta get this running today. Oh, shitty ass weather out here. No clouds. It was windy and cold. This is... Shake them. This. Listen to see if you hear the floats. Blowing them. Blows clear. Bet it'll work without having to be taken apart. That'd be nice. I think if anything. Well, a little bit of rust. A little. Are they blowing this? Line's clear. That's good. Definitely have to put a filter on this. Okay, so far. Get that fucking carb back on. That's some outside cover shit, but whatever. It'll work without it. Now, I guess he has oil in it somewhere. Oh, fuck. Great. Okay. Hope we have to do something about that after I make sure it fires and it's gonna run. Got the fuel on. It started leaking like a motherfucker first thing. That's typical though. Look at those guys like gas, they like eat it. They're gonna. So pickup looks pretty clear, that's good. There's some hazy shit in there, I hope there ain't water. Maybe just my luck. I think it's upside down. I hate when it does that shit. Okay. It has a choke, but someone else had a disagreement with the choke, so it doesn't really activate very well. Could put my hand over it, that's annoying trying to pull it. I think I will take that screw out. Make sure it's filling with fuel. I'll give it a shot. This phone can't tell if it's right side up or right side down. I'm gonna keep on changing it around. It's probably fucking all stupid. Anyway. Well, I can see that already, but I was thinking about doing this anyway. For the purposes of possibly letting whatever might be in there out. That's good enough. Okay, fuel, check. Hopefully the carburetor is not clogged to fuck. And hopefully there's no flames around here right now. So I got go poof. Just love that shit. I'm trying to get this choked close. This has been ran probably fucking God knows how long. I'm just gonna try to get it to fire up, and if I do, I'll deal with the oil situation. I'm gonna get a GoPro for real. Oh, good, it's still recording. What do you know? Okay. Here we go. Quick pull. Oh shit. Tried myself. Wow. That was fun. Flipped over again. Oh, gotta open that shit, huh? Like I said, just for you with the fucking joke. Sorry. Not even all the way open, fuck. There. Yeah, you can hear it. It's running, but I gotta shut it off. I gotta deal with that oil issue. Sort of blow it up, it runs. What the fuck? Well, the next bit of this will be, hey, that's a good place not to put that. The electronics. Sludge. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Guess I should flush this out. Shit. Okay. Oil is changed. Here we go. Bark! Bark, bark. Oil's changed. Oil's too thick. That's right though. If I'm correct, I think this right here. Yep. Oops. Alright. You don't need a fucking kill switch. Okay, so got the sides on. Kind of. Pretty cool. Still no air cleaner though, but check it out. Where's the plug at? Right there. This right here. Okay. Everything tangled in there, huh? These are not really the easiest thing to get started and running when it comes to power. Small generators, you know. Okay. Plug it in, okay. Looks like, well, bam! Bam! Oh, it's also running that light in the sky, keeps on turning. There we go. A China lug nut. Just cleaned it up. No problem. Just stop. Good. Right? Now whenever you go ahead and do this, it's like lights out. Bye-bye.